Well, this is a fish that's got attacked this morning by a magpie. The alarm went off of the pond and a magpie had its claws on the fish and was pecking into its side. I've had the fish out of the pond and I put antibiotics on its side, but I don't know whether you can see at this side of it, it's all marked. The claws of the magpie went into the side of the fish. Like I say, I'm hoping it gets itself back to normal. I saw down this side here was all cut open. I've taken the dead scales off and put some antiseptic on, hoping that the fish might manage to get back to normal. I've just fed the fish with some food, the other fish that is. I'm going to have to see whether it can pull itself round.